Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
First thing I would do is take the US bumpers off, of course. So I got a little bruise there. So there's some bruises. I mean, it needs a little TLC, but this could be a good project. A little bit there. There's something going on here. The wheels are in good condition. Let me see. Yeah. Chip. Old Pirellis. Chips down there. Chip. Door ding. Mirrors are intact. Fitalonis, same like Ferrari. Glass looks good. Yeah, surprisingly the glass is in good shape. So it's got all the right markings, correct screws. Fans. Got a little bit of rust right there. Okay, everything looks good. So it definitely needs some TLC. That's what it is. It needs a restoration if you really want to make this car right. But this is all original. All original. You got some shrinkage right here on the dash. There. Got the handles intact. Got the tools. Additional toolkit and jack. Yeah. Both. Okay. Oh, okay. Look. Yeah. Just like the Ferrari cold start valve. The smaller Bosch CIS. Clear oil filters. Everything is here. Everything is here. They did a nice job cleaning this up. There's your VIN number. So this is a great restoration candidate, guys. It really is. New interior, new paint, a little cleaning up here and there. You guys would have a nice Countach. Okay, that works. All the switches are here. 28,000 miles. There's the shrinkage. This is an easy dash to do. It's all straight corners. Everything's here. The VIN number. Right there. There's the VIN number.